How to create a new document in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. If you are not signed in yet, complete the sign in process before continuing. Once you are on the main screen, you will see a list of your recent documents. Look for the plus icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and you will see two options. Choose template or new document. Tap on new document to open a blank page where you can start typing your content. If you want, you can also select choose template to pick from a variety of pre-designed templates for resume, letters, reports, and more. Here I am choosing new document. Enter the text you want to write in your document. Then, to save the document, tap the tick button on the top left corner of the screen. At the top of your new document, you will see your document name labeled Untitled Document. Tap on it to give your document a name so you can easily find it later. You can also access formatting options like bold, italic, underline, bullet points, and more using the toolbar at the bottom. If you want to share your document with others, tap the three dots or the share icon and enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. And that's it. Now you know how to create a new document in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.